You know what's faster than a Harley-Davidson? Pretty much any actual sport bike, but that's not going to stop Harley from trying. Because over the years, Harley-Davidson has built some absolutely ridiculous machines. V-Rods, performance baggers, drag bikes, boosted monsters, and a few motorcycles that look like they were designed after someone asked, what if we made a cruiser but gave it anger issues? These bikes probably aren't going to embarrass a modern Panigale at a racetrack, but they can make a sport bike rider question a few life choices at the next traffic light. So today, we're looking at the Harley-Davidsons that could possibly challenge sports bikes.
Harley-Davidson V-Rod. When it arrived in 2001, the V-Rod completely changed what people expected from a Harley-Davidson. Instead of relying on the traditional air-cooled V-twin, it used the liquid-cooled Revolution engine that was developed with help from Porsche. It revved much higher than most Harleys, produced around 115 horsepower in early versions, and could sprint from 0 to 60 in well under 4 seconds. That was fast enough to surprise many sport bike riders at traffic lights. Even today, the V-Rod remains one of the quickest production motorcycles Harley has ever built. Harley-Davidson Night Rod Special. The Night Rod Special took everything that made the V-Rod fast and gave it a darker, more aggressive personality. Wider rear tires, blacked-out styling, forward controls, and a lower riding position made it stand apart from the standard V-Rod. The Revolution engine stayed just as eager to rev, delivering strong acceleration all the way to redline. It became popular with riders who wanted Harley styling without giving up serious straight-line performance. Among factory Harleys, it still has a reputation as one of the fastest and most intimidating motorcycles the company ever sold. Harley-Davidson VRX SE Screamin' Eagle V-Rod Destroyer. Unlike most motorcycles on this list, the Destroyer was never intended for public roads. Harley built it specifically for NHRA drag racing, creating a machine designed for one purpose alone. Its highly modified Revolution engine produced well over 165 horsepower, launching the bike down the quarter mile in around 9 seconds with professional riders. Everything about it favored acceleration over comfort, from its stretched chassis to its racing components. Very few factory motorcycles from any manufacturer could match its explosive speed in a straight line. Harley-Davidson FXDR 114. Released in 2019, the FXDR 114 was Harley's attempt to blend drag bike styling with modern performance. Powered by the Milwaukee 8 114 engine, it featured lightweight aluminum parts, a long swing arm, and aggressive aerodynamics that were unusual for a cruiser. The result was one of the quickest accelerating softail models Harley had ever produced. While it would never compete with superbikes on a racetrack, its massive torque allowed it to launch incredibly hard from low speeds, making it surprisingly difficult to outrun during short sprints. Harley-Davidson Lowrider ST. The Lowrider ST combines touring capability with one of Harley's strongest performance platforms. Using the Milwaukee 8 117 engine, it produces impressive torque that arrives almost instantly. Unlike heavier touring motorcycles, its lighter frame allows it to accelerate with surprising urgency while remaining comfortable for longer rides. Riders also appreciate its fairing and saddlebags, which add practicality without taking away its sporting character. It proves that a motorcycle can be fast, comfortable, and capable of covering long distances all at once. Harley-Davidson Lowrider S. The Lowrider S focuses less on luggage and touring features and more on pure riding performance. Sharing the powerful Milwaukee 8 117 engine, it offers sharp throttle response and a more aggressive riding position than many traditional Harleys. Its inverted front suspension and dual front brakes improve handling, giving riders more confidence through corners. Although it still carries classic Harley styling, the riding experience feels much more athletic than many people expect from a cruiser. Harley-Davidson Breakout 117. The Breakout 117 is built around dramatic styling, but it also delivers impressive speed in a straight line. Its massive rear tire and stretched appearance suggest a custom motorcycle, yet underneath sits Harley's strongest standard Milwaukee 8 engine. With abundant torque available from very low RPM, the bike surges forward effortlessly whenever the throttle is opened. It's not designed for tight mountain roads or racetrack precision, but few cruisers can match its combination of acceleration, power, and visual presence. Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide ST. The CVO Road Glide ST shows how far Harley's performance touring motorcycles have evolved. Inspired by the company's racing efforts, it features upgraded suspension, lightweight components, and the powerful Milwaukee 8 121 high-output engine. Despite being a large bagger, it accelerates with surprising authority while maintaining stability at highway speeds. Riders who expect a heavy touring motorcycle often discover that it feels much quicker than its size suggests. It represents Harley's growing interest in combining comfort with genuine performance. Harley-Davidson's CVO Road Glide RR. The CVO Road Glide RR is one of the most extreme factory motorcycles Harley-Davidson has ever offered. Built in very limited numbers, it draws heavily from the company's King of the Baggers racing program. The motorcycle receives premium suspension, extensive weight reduction, high-performance brakes, and a race-inspired version of the Milwaukee 8 engine, producing well over 150 horsepower. While it remains street legal, much of its engineering comes directly from competition, making it the closest most riders will ever get to owning a factory race bagger. Harley-Davidson LiveWire. LiveWire marked Harley-Davidson's first production electric motorcycle and introduced a different kind of performance. Instead of waiting for engine revs to build, its electric motor delivers maximum torque the instant the throttle is opened. 0 to 60 takes around 3 seconds, placing it alongside many modern superbikes in real-world acceleration. With no gear changes and almost no mechanical noise, the experience feels completely different from any traditional Harley. It demonstrated that speed is not limited to gasoline engines and showed a new direction for the company's future. Harley-Davidson King of the Baggers Road Glide. The King of the Baggers Road Glide is Harley-Davidson's factory-backed racing motorcycle built for the King of the Baggers Championship. At first glance, it still resembles a touring bagger, complete with a large fairing and saddlebags, but underneath is a purpose-built race machine, a highly modified Milwaukee 8 engine producing well over 180 horsepower. Racing suspension, carbon fiber bodywork, and massive brakes allow it to corner and accelerate in ways that seem impossible for such a large motorcycle. It is repeatedly shown that a Harley bagger can compete with purpose-built performance machines on some of America's most demanding racetracks. Harley-Davidson XG750R. The XG750R was developed for American flat track competition, replacing the legendary XR750R after decades of dominance. Built around the liquid-cooled Street 750 engine, almost every part of the motorcycle was redesigned for racing. Lightweight construction, long travel suspension, and specialized tires let it slide through dirt corners at remarkable speeds while maintaining control. Although it was never intended for public roads, the XG750R proved Harley-Davidson still built a motorcycle capable of competing at the highest level of professional racing. Trask Performance Turbo Road Glide. Trask Performance became famous by adding turbochargers to Harley-Davidsons without sacrificing reliability. Their Turbo Road Glide transforms a comfortable touring motorcycle into something with extraordinary straight-line performance. Depending on the build, power can exceed 200 horsepower while still retaining much of the original touring equipment. Riders can comfortably travel long distances before opening the throttle and experiencing acceleration that few people expect from a full-size bagger. It represents one of the most successful examples of combining touring comfort with extreme horsepower. Trask Performance Softail. The Trask Softail follows the same philosophy but starts with a lighter platform. By combining a Milwaukee 8 engine with a carefully engineered turbo system, Trask creates motorcycles capable of producing power figures that rival many superbikes. The lighter weight compared to a touring model makes the acceleration feel even more dramatic. These motorcycles remain recognizable as Harleys, yet their performance changes completely once boost begins to build. They have become popular among riders who want classic cruiser styling without giving up serious speed. T-Man Performance Road Glide. T-Man Performance has spent years building high-performance Harley engines that are respected throughout the custom motorcycle world. Their Road Glide projects often feature large displacement engines, precision cylinder headwork, upgraded camshafts, and carefully tuned fuel systems. Rather than focusing on appearance alone, every modification is aimed at producing stronger and more usable power. The result is a touring motorcycle that can accelerate with surprising force while remaining comfortable enough for everyday riding. It shows how expert engine building can completely transform a familiar platform. Kruesi Originals Road Glide. Kruesi Originals is known for creating custom Harleys that combine bold styling with serious performance upgrades. Their Road Glide builds often receive larger engines, upgraded suspension, high-performance brakes, and lightweight components that improve both speed and handling. While every motorcycle is unique, the goal remains the same: build a machine that performs as well as it looks. These motorcycles regularly appear at major custom shows while also proving themselves on the street, demonstrating that visual craftsmanship and real performance can exist together. Moonshine Harley-Davidson Performance Bagger. Moonshine Harley-Davidson has become well known for building some of the fastest baggers in the United States. Working closely with performance specialists, the dealership creates motorcycles using upgraded Milwaukee 8 engines, racing suspension, improved brakes, and extensive tuning. Many of these bikes are designed for track days, drag racing, or performance bagger events rather than simple cruising. Their success reflects a growing movement among Harley riders who want touring motorcycles capable of impressive speed and handling. Fitzgerald Motorsports Turbo V-Rod. Fitzgerald Motorsports has built some of the quickest V-Rods ever seen by pushing the Revolution engine far beyond factory specifications. Their turbocharged builds often produce well over 250 horsepower, with some reaching much higher depending on the owner's goals. Strengthened internal components, advanced fuel management, and custom turbo systems allow these motorcycles to deliver astonishing acceleration. What began as Harley-Davidson's fastest production platform becomes something capable of outrunning many dedicated sport bikes in a straight line. S&S 143 cubic inch Performance Harley. S&S Cycle has supplied performance parts for Harley-Davidsons for decades, earning a reputation for building powerful V-twin engines. The massive 143 cubic inch engine is one of the company's most extreme creations, delivering enormous torque, along with horsepower figures that can exceed 170 when properly tuned. Installed into custom Harley chassis, it creates motorcycles with relentless acceleration and exceptional roll-on performance. The engine has become a favorite among riders seeking maximum displacement without moving to forced induction. Top Fuel Harley motorcycles. Top Fuel Harley motorcycles sit at the absolute limit of Harley-Davidson performance. Built specifically for professional drag racing, these machines use supercharged nitromethane-burning V-twin engines, producing well over 1,000 horsepower. They cover the quarter mile in around 6 seconds, while reaching speeds exceeding 220 miles per hour. Almost nothing about them resembles a normal street motorcycle beyond the basic engine layout. They exist solely to accelerate as quickly as physics allows, representing the most extreme expression of Harley-Davidson racing ever created.